Unlock the meaning of be low-key in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you might hear in casual conversations, social media, and even in some professional settings, be low-key. We'll unpack what this phrase means, how to use it, and give you some examples to help you understand it fully. So, if you're ready to add another expression to your English vocabulary, let's get started. When someone says to be low-key, they're suggesting that you should act in a subtle, understated, or reserved manner. It's often used to advise someone to not draw too much attention to themselves or to a situation. The phrase, low-key, can be an adjective describing a person, place, thing, or event that is not very intense, not very emotional, or quiet. The term, low-key, has its roots in photography, where it describes images that contain predominantly dark tones and colors. Over time, this term has been borrowed into everyday language to describe anything that is toned down or not intended to stand out. Examples are the best way to understand how to use be low-key. Here are a few. 1. I have a big test tomorrow, so I'm going to be low-key tonight and stay in to study. 2. Sarah is really low-key about her achievements. She doesn't like to brag. 3. The company is throwing a low-key celebration for the product launch. In each of these sentences, be low-key, or low-key, implies a sense of modesty or restraint. In today's digital age, low-key has become quite popular, especially among younger generations on social media. It often accompanies posts or messages where someone wants to express a laid-back attitude or a desire to keep things relaxed and unpretentious. To understand a concept, sometimes it's helpful to look at its opposite. The opposite of be low-key would be to be high-key, or to stand out. This means to be very open, obvious, or intentional about drawing attention. That wraps up our exploration of the phrase, be low-key. I hope this has shed some light on how to use this expression in your everyday conversations. Remember, being low-key is all about keeping things cool, calm, and collected. Until our next lesson, keep practicing, and don't hesitate to be a little low-key about your learning journey. Thanks for watching.